following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake, until 8:15 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots.
Wilmette Harbor?
Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wilmette Harbor,
Wilmette Harbor?